Hello guys. Welcome back to my commentary. This time, is Zack the big red dog rants on his haters. This rant be going to terrible. Anyways, enjoy this video.
Before I start this rant, I'm going to rant on my haters. Anyways, enjoy.
Although that means I am no longer muscular with footage not from bronze eruption with
my haters? Oh my god. They suck. Let me give you reasons why they suck. 1. They keep being heartless to me.
Warren the tough cocky walks and protects himself like a superhero.
That is one dough cookie.
2. They keep bullying me by making bad videos out of me.
¿Qué dijiste, amigo? ¿Qué dijiste? ¿Ese te parece la cara de un idiota? No respondas.
3. I'm treat bad cat, truly tails, and the donkey king there like his religious freedom.
Hey you stupid kid. I'll hurt you.
4. They keep disliking my videos.
No, Junior, you made me pick up all of those damn M&Ms.
5. They made a rant on me.
Oh yeah I do. I will rant on you for no matter what. Note, stay tuned for ranting on him nowadays.
And 6. They bash opinions on me. I really hope you guys get terminated soon.
Liar.
Do you like these haters?
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Nathan's World Zone, Diego Fuenzalida Awesomeness 36, Miguel Animate, and FNPBBS. And do you know who hates these haters?
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Me, Jake's Foley, Danion Returns, and D. Hernandez. So screw my haters, and screw A38TA61 fan, Victoria Burgos is so many times better than my haters. And
Wow, that rant sucked. Why? Because he cannot handle on his haters. Zack the big red dog, if you watching this, you better not ranting on me, or JuanSanchez the Prince of Yon 2004, if you do, I will forcing to watching JuanSanchez, Plaza Encanto and Disney Junior Spain in YouTube. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and post notification. This is SpongeBob XD the JuanSanchez fan 2007, over and out, see you soon.